ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद 23rd mantra of Panchama Brahmana, which is the last mantra, page number 402. 402. This mantra we were seeing in the last class. Athaisha shloko bhavati. Athaisha shloko bhavati, this part is from Brahmana. Yataschodeti suryo astam yatra cha gacchati iti. This much part is from mantra bhaga. So I had mentioned in that class that there is a similar mantra in Kathopanishad, and this mantra yataha cha udeti suryaha, yataha yasmat kasmat pranat, from prana surya udaya is there Bhagwan Bhashyakar has given, if you read the Bhashya in Kathopanishad, it is given prana, and then it is given pranatma rupa brahma, means prana rupa brahma, it is given there. Here it is prana prakarana, therefore it is prana only. There it is jnana prakarana, therefore it is brahma, prana rupa brahma. Yatashodeti suryaha astam yatra cha gacchati iti. Then Brahmana Bhaga says pranadva esha udeti prane astameti tam devas chakrire dharmam sa evadya sa ushvaha iti. Pranadva esha udeti prane astameti. Mantra says from prana there is udaya and asta of the surya. This is the Brahmana Bhaga. Then tam devas chakrire dharmam. Devatas, they held on to this dharma, means they followed this dharma. Chakrire means they did dharma. Did dharma means they followed the dharma. Sa eva adya, which is there today also, sa ushvaha. Tomorrow, in future also, it will remain. Iti. Yadva ete amurhi driyanta. Amurhi driyanta, this we already saw earlier, that amushmin kale, they held on to it. Tadeva api adya kurvanti. Now also they follow it. Tasmad ekam eva vratam charet. Pranyach eva apanyach. Therefore, one vratam, prana, apana, this one vratam should be done. One vratam means either you do this vrata that everything arises from prana, everything goes back to prana in adhyatma, and in adhidaiva everything arises from vayu, everything goes back to vayu in this way. नेन्मा पापमा मृत्युः आपनुवत इति. नेत it is given in the next, means in the bhashya it is given, Net Shabda is for Paribhaya, means for Bhaya, to show the fear. Out of the fear of death, one should follow this vratam. This is how it is given. Nen ma means mam, papma mrutyuhu apnuvat. May this sinful death not capture me. In this way, one should, out of this fear, he should perform the vrata. Iti yadyucharet samapipaishet tena u etasyai devatayai sayujyam salokatam jayati. The one who follows this, then he should also yadi ucharet samapipaishet. He should also have the desire to complete it. Samapaitum ichha, samapipaisha. Tena u etasyai devatayai. Etasyai devatayai, Chaturthi is given, you have to put it as Shashti. Etasyaha devatayaha sayujyam salokatam jayati. It is not for devata, right? Etasyai devatayai sayujyam means devatayaha sayujyam. You will get sayujya with the devata or salokyam. Bhashya. Suryo. So earlier it was given Brahmanartha Dardhyartham Mantram Avatarya Vyakaroti. Suryo in Tika. Suryo Adhidaivam Udayakale Vayoho Udgachati. Suryo Adhidaivam Udayakale Vayoho Udgachati. तत्र च अपर संध्या समये अस्तं गच्छति. So at the time of Udaya, Surya, which is Adhidaivam, Vayoho Udgachati. Vayoho, which vibhakti?
Panchami.
Panchami. Vayoho Udgachati. And tatra cha apara sandhya samaye astam gacchati. Tatra kutra? Nine number tippani. Vayau eva, in that Vayu. Sa eva cha adhyatmam prabodha samaye chakshuratmana pranat udeti purushasya swapa samaye cha tasmin eva astam gacchati iti. Sa eva cha adhyatmam. That adhyatmam means that Surya. Saha means Surya. Surya is there in Adhidaiva. In Adhyatmam, Prabodha Samaye means when we wake up. Prabodha Samaye Chakshuratmana Pranat Udeti. It arises from Prana, Chakshuratmana. So what is Vayu in Adhidaiva is Prana in Adhyatma. What is Surya in Adhidaiva is Chakshuhu in Adhyatmam. Pranad udeti purushasya swapa samaye cha tasmin eva astam gacchati. And at the swapa samaya, in that prana alone, everything goes back. Means prana alone remains. All indriyas and their devatas, everything goes back to prana. Because we are singing Mahima of prana. That's why we say everything arises from prana, everything goes back to prana. If the Mahima is of Brahma, then we will say everything arises, because in Paramartha everything arises from Brahma. Everything goes back to Brahma. तस्मिन्नेव अस्तम गच्छति इति यतश्च इत्यादौ विभागः यतश्चोदेति सूर्यः दिस काइंड ऑफ विभाग इज देयर श्लोकस्य उत्तरार्धम प्राण आदित्यादि ब्राह्मण व्यवहितं श्लोके पूर्णता ज्ञापनार्थम प्रथमं व्याचष्टे श्लोकस्य उत्तरार्धम द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द श्लोक प्राण आदित्यादि ब्राह्मण व्यवहितम और प्राणात इत्यादि ब्राह्मण व्यवहितम pranad va is given in the second line that pranad is brahmana, that is the brahmana bhag brahmana vyavahitam shloke purnata jnapanartham prathamam vyachashte and then thereafter the mantra is there tam devaha, so tam deva vyakhyanam is done first. Now you see in Bhashya, यतश्च second sentence यतश्च यस्माद् वायोः उदेति उद्गच्छति सूर्यो अध्यात्मं च चक्षुरात्मना प्राणात् अस्तम यत्र वायौ प्राणे च गच्छति अपर संध्या समये स्वाप समये च at the अपरा संध्या समय स्वाप समय at the time of sleep वायौ प्राणे च सूर्यो वायौ गच्छति चक्षुः प्राणे गच्छति स्वाप समये च पुरुषस्य तं देवाः तं धर्मं देवाश्चक्रिरे देवतास they followed this dharma. What do you mean by they followed or did the dharma? In Sanskrit is given devaha dharmam chakrire. Deva did the dharma. देवताओं ने धर्म किया. Means what? धृतवन्तः. They held on to this dharma. वागादयो अग्न्यादयश्च प्राणव्रतं वायुव्रतं च पुरा विचार्य स एव अद्य इदानीं श्वोऽपि भविष्यति अपि काले अनुवर्तते अनुवर्तिष्यते च देवैः इति अभिप्रायः. वागादयः अग्न्यादयश्च. वागादि means इंद्रियाणि. अग्न्यादयः means devatas. Like Chakshuradi, Surya. So Chakshu, Indriya, Surya, Devata. Then further, Vagadayo, Agnyadayascha. Pranavratam, Vayuvratam cha, Pura Vicharya. They did this. Pranavratam, Vayuvratam. Tika. धारणस्य प्रकृतत्वात् सामान्येन विशेषं लक्षयित्वा आह धृतवन्तः. देवाः धर्मं चक्रिरे. दिस इज सामान्य. विशेष इज धृतवन्तः. देवतास दे हेल्ड ऑन टू दिस धर्म. धृतवन्तः. स एव इति धर्म परामर्शः. स एव अद्य इदानीं श्वोऽपि भविष्यति. सह एव means that dharma tomorrow also it will remain. श्वः अपि भविष्यति. अपि काले अनुवर्तते. In kala this dharma will continue. अनुवर्तिष्यते च देवैः. By devata it will be followed. Then Bhashya says tatra imam mantram sankshepato vyachashte brahmanam. This much is the mantra bhag. So mantra portion vyakhyanam is over. यतश्चोदेति सूर्यो अस्तं यत्र च गच्छति तं देवाश्चक्रिरे धर्मं स एवाद्य स उष्वः. This much is the mantra. Its vyakhyanam is over by Bhashyakara. Now Brahmana bhag, Bhagavan Bhashyakara is going to do vyakhyan. तत्र, तत्र means in this mantra. So tatra iti saptami sampurna mantram adhikaroति. In the mantra, complete mantra is kept in mind by the word tatra. Imam mantram sankshepato vyachaste brahmanam. This mantra vyakhya is done by the brahmana in brief. प्राणाद्वा एष सूर्य उदेति प्राणे अस्तमेति. From prana esha surya udeti prane astameti. See what is expected. We see sunrise every day. People go to see sunrise. People want to take pictures with sunrise, etc. Similarly, sunset. How many times we think pranad surya udeti prane astam gacchati, or from vayu in adhideva. So this buddhi we have to create. Then only we will have mahatva buddhi for prana. Normally what happens is this. It is unfortunate, but this is the fact. When people take their photo with Surya, mahatva buddhi is not in Surya, or Suryodaya, Suryasta. Mahatva buddhi is in one's own self. So then mahatva is not given to that for whose upasana I have to do. Purpose of upasana is mahatva buddhi should go away from me. I am as Vyashti not important. Then this aham mama will become weaker. Then I will be able to understand aham brahmasmi. Otherwise, whatever I was doing before, I do everything and still mahatva is only for aham. So, in one way or the other, aham has to be weakened. Either it is weakened through life circumstances, situation, and you become humble, or you do proper upasana, shastriya upasana, and that vritti will remain for long time. That mahatva is given to prana or hiranyagarbha or Ishvara, my upasya. Prane astameti. Imam mantram, Tika says, imam mantram iti purvardha ukti. Tatra imam mantram, so purvardha is explained by this brahmana. Further, uttarardhasya tika. Uttarardhasya brahmanam akanksha purvakam utthapya vyachaste. Uttarardhasya brahmanam, the second part of the brahmana, akanksha purvakam utthapya. So it's a question is raised and then its vyakhyanam is done. Utthapya vyachaste. Uttarardhasya mantrasya tam deva chakrire. Utthapya. What is the sutra?
Udahastastambhoho purvasya.
Udahastastambhoho purvasya. We saw this recently where Naishkarma Siddhi. तम देवास चक्रिरे धर्मम स एवाद्य स उष्वः इत्यस्य को अर्थ इत्युच्यते. What is the meaning of this second part of the mantra? So that is said. Yadva ete vratam amurhya mushmin kale. Amurhya means amurhi amushmin kale. Amushmin kale now. Vagadayo agnyadayascha pranavratam vayuvratam cha adhriyanta तदेव अद्य अपि कुर्वन्ति. So at that time, whatever the devatas took the vrata, Vagadi, Indriya, Agnyadi, Devata. Vagadi took Pranavratam, Agnyadi took Vayu Vratam, Adriyanta. Tadeva Adyapi Kurvanti. Now also they do. Anuvartante. Anuvartishyante cha, and they will follow it tomorrow also. In other words, the satta of prana, the Mahatva Buddhi in prana was there, is there, will be there. So it is not a short-term thing. For long, Devatas, Indriyani, they all are doing this. And what kind of this vratam is? Taihi abhagnam eva vratam. This vratam is abhagnam. Abhagnam means there is no break. It doesn't fall apart. So consistently they will do. This is a very great virtue, to take up something and follow for long time. Because our mind has so many vikshepas. And any one vrata that we take, Shreyansi Bahu Vignani, some or the other obstacles will come. Like you start, for example, some classes, either you study or you teach. Obstacles will keep coming. You have to consistently do. That's why you take something knowing very well over next 5 years, 7 years, what is my ability, how I will do. And then follow it through as much as possible. Some exceptions will be there, but abhagnam vratam. Mukhya pratibandha for anything is papa. Papa is the pratibandha, nothing else. So I need to know how to deal with that part. Tika. Tair abhagnam devaihi abhagnattvena mimamsitam te anugachanti ityartha. Taihi devaihi abhagnam abhagnattvena mimamsitam. So they follow this vratam without any break. Anugachanti ityartha. Visheshanasya arthavatvam sadhayati. Visheshana abhagnatva rupasya. 4 number tippani. Abhagnatva rupa visheshana. What is its arthavatvam? Yattu vagadi vratam agnyadi vratam cha tad bhagnameva. Vagadi vratam agnyadi vratam cha tad bhagnameva. This vratam is abhagnam. Tesham astamana kale swapakale cha vayau prane cha nimlukti darshanat. Earlier we saw this. Devatas, they said, I will keep doing what I will do, right? Indriyas, they said, I will keep doing it. I hope you all remember that vratam was there. Eyes said, I will keep seeing. Vak said, I will keep talking. But what happens? Swapakale, when sleep comes, then Mahimna part in Chaturtha Yama, Tritiya Yama, Chaturtha Yama, means it was, you can imagine how tiring it is. And in particular, those Mahatmas who were doing seva previous night, somebody told me, 1 बजे तक स्वामी जी मैं सेवा कर रहा था, कमरे में जाके 1:30 बजे थोड़ा लेटा, 2:30 घंटी, because 3:30 Aarti was there next day, Shivratri day. And so hardly 1 hour of sleep. And then whole Shivratri day up until next day morning. And that is when, no matter who it is, Nimlukti darshanat. Nimlukti means astagamanam. Astam gamanam or astagamanam. One shabda. So Nidra comes at that time. One Mahatma was chanting Mahimna. I told him just remove mic, but he didn't understand. When you are in front of mic and then you are chanting and you are going down, everybody hears that you are falling asleep. Because words are not coming. But it is a tapaha. But I will tell you, physical tapas is of less importance than control over mind and senses. Manasaschendriyanam cha yaikagriyam paramam tapaha. Bhagavan Ved Vyas has given in Mahabharata. Greater tapas is to only do Brahmakara Vritti. That is the highest. Like in Yajnas, 24 types of Yajnas in 4th chapter of Gita. Brahmarpanam Brahma Havihi Brahmajno. Just before that, what is the shloka? Or after that? Yajnenaivo pajuhvati. Brahmajnavapare yajnam yajnenaivo pajuhvati. So those, that yajna where I keep my attention only on Brahmakara Vritti. That is more important than walking from here to Prayagraj and come back. That vrata will exhaust you. Physical tapas is there, but mukhya is this. Because I have lot of deha bhava, therefore I may do other tapas. But mukhya is this. That Mahatma just now told me. That Swamiji, body is gone. तो वही होगा और क्या होगा. तेषाम अस्तमन काले स्वापकाले च वायौ प्राणे च निम्लुक्ति दर्शनात्. So this Vagadi and Ajnadi, their vratam has bhagnatva, means it breaks. They are not able to consistently follow, because when the sleep comes, then they go to asta. Uktam hetum agni rahasyam ashritya vishadayati. This hetu, there is agni rahasya brahmana. So with that, nimlukti darshanat, this for this hetu is given now from agni rahasyam. Athaitad anyatra uktam shatapatha brahmana. This is the entire first paragraph on 404 in Bhashya is Shatapatha Brahmana. Yada vai purushah swapiti pranam tarhi vagapyeti pranam manaha pranam chakshuhu pranam shrotram yada prabudhyate pranad eva adhi punarjayanta iti adhyatmam athadi daivatam yada va agnir anugacchati vayum tarhi anudvati tasmad evam उदवासी इति आहुर्वायुम ही अनुद्वाति यदादित्यो अस्तमेति वायुम तर्हि प्रविशति वायुम चंद्रमा वायौ दिशः प्रतिष्ठिता वायोरेव अधिपुनर्जायन्ते इति. यदा वै पुरुषः स्वपिति, when a person goes to sleep, प्राणम तर्हि वागप्येति. प्राणम तर्हि वागप्येति. What is in prathama? Vak. Vak pranam apyeti. Then manaha pranam apyeti. Manaha is what vibhakti? Manaha manasi. Manaha manasi.
Mananti.
Vidya bodhar. Manaha. So which one will be here? Prathama. Similarly, pranam chakshuhu. Chakshu is which vibhakti? And pranam shrotram. Shrotram is which vibhakti?
Prathama.
Chakshuhu, Shrotram, Manah, Vak, they all go to Pranam. When Yada Purushaha Swapiti. Yada Prabudyate Pranat eva Adhi Punar Jayante. Pranat eva Punah Adhi Jayante. Adhi Jayante. Vyavahitascha. Upasarga is Vyavahitena Sambandha with Kriya. Dhatu here. Jayante iti adhyatmam. This is in adhyatma. This is happening. What is happening in adhidaiva? Atha adhidaivatam yada va agnihi anugacchati vayum. Vayu instead of prana it is vayu. So agni will go to vayu. Tarhi anudvati and then anudvati. Tasmad evam anudvasi. Enam udvasi. Tasmad enam udvasi. Ud avasi. Anudvati means that Agni has been put off, we say, external. Tasmad enam ud avasi iti ahuhu. This is how they say. Udavasit iti ahuhu. Vayum hi anudvati. Yada adityo astameti. When Aditya asta sun sets, then it is said it enters into Vayu. Vayum tarhi pravishati. Vayum Chandrama pravishati. Vayau dishaha pratisthita. Dishaha, they are also in Vayu. So the Mahima is of this Vayu. Mahima is of this Prana. Same thing like in Chandogya Saptama Adhyaya, that everything is Nama. Greater than Nama is Vak. Greater than Vak is this. When you go on doing Asha, then greater than Asha is Prana. So Mahatva Buddhi should come there. Everything else which is just Nama, it has no Mahatva. It should lose its importance. When we say everything is Mithya, means what? It should lose its importance, its predominance. Vacharam Manam Vikaro Namadeyam is for this purpose. See Tika. Yatha atra iti upamartho atha shabdaha. Atha etad it is given. Yatha atra iti upamartho atha shabdaha. This atha shabda is for upama. Anugacchati means shamyati iti etat. Agnihi anugacchati. Anugacchati means shamyati. Vayum anu tad adhina eva tasmin kale udvati astameti. Vayum anu, following that Vayu, tad adhina eva tasmin kale udvati astameti. Ud avasit. Ud avasit means astam gataha ityarthaha. Ud avasit. Avasit dhatu is va. Lung lakar. Va is gati gandhana yoho. Means how the wind blows. That is the meaning. Iti shabdo, further, Vayum Chandrama, Vayau Dishaha Pratishtha, Vayo eva adhipunar jayante. Iti. Everything enters into Vayu. And everything arises from Vayu. Iti. Iti shabda is Agni Rahasya Vakya Samaptyartham. Agni Rahasya Brahmana, somewhere it is also mentioned. But this is the one aspect of that. Further, Adhyatmam Pranavratam Adhidaivam Cha Vayuvratam iti एकमेव व्रतम धार्यम इति मंत्र ब्राह्मणाभ्याम प्रतिपाद्य तस्माद् इति व्याचष्टे अध्यात्मं प्राणव्रतम अधिदैवं च वायुव्रतम अध्यात्मम in adhyatma means at the level of one's own self, pranavratam should be followed, and adhidaiva vayuvratam iti ekameva vratam dharyam, one vratam should be followed. Mantra brahmanabhyam pratipadya, that is explained through mantra and brahmana. तस्माद् इति व्याचष्टे यस्माद् एतदेव व्रतं वागादिषु अग्न्यादिषु च अनुगतं यद् एतद् वायोश्च प्राणस्य च परिस्पन्दात्मकत्वं सर्वैर्देवैरनुवर्त्यमानं व्रतम् यस्माद् एतदेव व्रतं, since this alone is the व्रतं, वागादिषु अग्न्यादिषु च अनुगतं, in वागादि इंद्रिय अग्न्यादि देवता, दिस इज अनुगतम यद एतद् वायोश्च प्राणस्य च परिस्पंदात्मकत्वम, एंड दिस इज वायोः प्राणस्य च परिस्पंदात्मकत्वम. परिस्पंदात्मकत्वम सी इन टीका नहि वागादयो अग्न्यादयो वा परिस्पंद विरहिणः स्थातुम अर्हन्ति. विदाउट movement they cannot exist. Their parispandanam means movement, soft movement, means any activity. Without prana, vagadi indriya, chakshuradi indriya cannot function. Without external vayu, external objects cannot function. They cannot exist. Sthatum na arhanti. Tena pranadi vratam taihi anuvartyata eva ityartha. Eva, above a there is something, remove that. Eva ityartha. In Bhashya, तस्मात् एवेत्यर्थः है. हाँ, एवेत्यर्थः, करेक्ट. इन भाष्य तस्माद् अन्यो अपि एकमेव व्रतं चरेत्. तस्मात्, therefore, अन्यः, any other sadhak also should do this one vrata. Means you do one vrata like this. What? See mahima of prana in adhyatma, mahima of vayu in adhidaiva. Ekameva vrata. Or you see mahima of Paramatma and keep thinking of that more than anything else. This is the vratam. Kim tat pranyat pranana vyaparam kuryat apanyat apanana vyaparam cha kuryat. Kim tat pranyat, because in the mantra it is given pranyat and apanyat. Tasmad ekameva vratam charet. After that, pranyat chaiva apanyat cha. So what is this pranyat apanyat? It is given pranana vyapara apanana vyaparam one should do. You say that we do anyway. Nahi prana apana vyaparasya pranana apanana lakshanasya uparamo asti. There is no uparama of pranana vyapara, apanana vyapara. It continues anyway. Yes. टीका एकमेव इति नियमे प्राण व्यापारस्य अभग्नत्वम हेतु, because प्राण व्यापार is abhagna. There is no break in that. Tad anuparame phalitam aha. So what is the phalam of that? Tasmat tad eva ekam vratam charet. Therefore you should follow only one vratam. ननु प्राणनादि अभावे जीवन असंभवात् तस्य आर्थिकत्वात् तद अनुष्ठानम अविधेयम इति आशंक्य एवकार लभ्यम नियमम दर्शयति. प्राण अपान is going to happen anyway, because without that we cannot live. जीवन असंभवात्. So arthikatva means arthapatya. Through arthapatti it is already available. So why we have to do anushtanam of that? That anushtana vidhanam is unnecessary, because anyway it is going to happen. No, we don't have to get this anushtana vidhanam that we have to eat so many times in a day. Anyway we are going to do. So therefore there is one eva. Tasmat tad eva ekam vratam charet. What is that eva? Hitva indriyantar vyaparam. नेन माम पापमा मृत्यु श्रम रूप्य अपि श्रम रूप्य अपनुवत आपनुयात. अपनुवत मीन्स आपनुयात. श्रम रूप्य आपनुवत आपनुयात. नेत शब्द इज परिभये. It is in the form of paribhaya, atyanta bhaya, bhayagrastatva. Because nen mam is given in the mantra. Nen ma. Ma means mam. So net iti vakyasya aksharartham uktva tatparyartham aha. From that we will see tomorrow. So the meaning of that last sentence, hitva indriyantar vyaparam. This prana apana vratam one should do, but how? Hitva, giving up other vyapara, indriyantar vyapara. So I am doing everything and then this vrata also for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, not like that. This vrata should be given that much mahatva. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.